Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu isalukazi sendoda lesi uGogo Bathini Mbatha uLocksmith uma uvula kuvala emzini yamadoda. Bakhona-ke sabathe ugogo wama-boys. Ngane zakwethu namhlanje sikhuluma ngesihloko esithi gogo ngidinga umuthi wenhlanhla, ngingawutholaphi umuthi wenhlanhla. Into zami azihambi kahle, into zami zibheke phezulu gogo, iduma ikhanda. Ngisabathe salukazi sendoda ngithinta lokho. Hayi akuthinteki salukazi sendoda, ngisazi manje ukuthi okuyikona kona kufanele ngikwenze ikuphi. Simple. Awudingi umuthi wenhlanhla at this moment, because uma izinto zakho zihlangahlangene uxubene ubende, you know, you try this, it doesn't work, you try that, it doesn't work, and everything. You can't keep on adding umuthi wenhlanhla ngoba umuthi wenhlanhla i-disadvantage yawo, too much of it wenza ukuthi ungabusasebenza. It's like eating too much sugar. You end up uba ngathi uba nesilungulelo, ungathi ungaphalaza, ungahlanza izinto efana lezo, uphathwa ikhanda and everything. Kuye kudingeka ukuthi uphuze amanzi amaningi so that kuzogezeka i-system yakho, wehle isimo soshukela, i-intake yakho yoshukela. So what you need actually, you need umuthi wokugeza amathunzi omnyama, ukugeza amabhadi, ukugeza ichitho. You need umuthi oklinayo. Ngithi mina ilokhuzana isikhumba sakho sifuna ukugeza, sifuna ukukhishwa insila noma sifuna ukukhishwa inyongo. Kufanele ukhiphe inyongo yamabhadi, kufanele ugezwe, kufanele uthole imithi ozothi uyisebenzisa ingenelele, ikline, ichithe konke okuboshiwe, iqhaqha amafindo, ikhiphe nje. Ingakho kuthiwe use this medication for 7 days. Then you ask yourself, why 7 days? It's because of sifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi lento lena iyaklineka egazini lakho. Normally what I normally do kweminye imithi ekhaya, or majority of imithi esemambatheni, after that 7 days ngithi wena phumula for 3 or for another 7 days, ungenzi lutho and take a lot of water. Then mawuqeda ke ngena ke emithini enhlanhla. That's when you start seeing changes instantly, to say okay, nakho ke ngathi manje izinto seziyabonakala, izinto efana lezo. Because if ever iskin sakho sicompile umuthi, lo muthi lo yini, umuthi kaShandu, umuthi kaNgema, umuthi kabani, lokhu yaphila lapha kuwena, lo mithi le igcine iphenduka isichitho. Thothi umunye umuntu owayekusiza sokumuntu ongasekho emhlabeni, sokumuntu owashona, awazi ukuthi izinto bekayisenza izinto ebeyinani. Eminye imithi inama-parts abantu, eminye imithi ayihlambulukile. Umuntu ade kusiza umuntu ongahlombulukile, mhlawumbe umuntu owayeyinkabi, mhlawumbe umuntu ongenza izinto ngendlela efanele. So yonke lo mithi le iphayila lapha nalo muntu okwaya kuyena, noma lo gogo noma lo mkhulu okwaya kuyena, whether eThekwini, whether wherever, thola ukuthi yena imithi yakhe iyasebenza. But for the fact ukuthi wena usuyisalukazi sendoda, imithi yesalukazi sendoda inechithi nani, lezi zinto ziyaphayila lapha kuwena, lento igcina isiphenduka isimo sesichitho kuwena, bese wena uthi umuthi awusebenzi. Kanti umuthi kuwena usuphayila lapha kakhulu, umuthi kuwena usuhleli kakhulu, azange uthole treatment whereby uzogeza lo muthi lona uphume. Ingakho kunemithi ekufana nokuthi lo muthi lo kuthiwa umhlamba amanzi. Umhlamba amanzi nayo is also good in terms of ukuhlambulula yonke imithi ekhona esimeni sakho somzimba noma esimeni sakho segazi, neminye imithi eminingi. Kodwa umzimba wakho uyayidinga i-break. I normally say this to many people, even if umelaphi wakho wendabuko angakutshenanga. If ever umelaphi wakho wendabuko akunike umuthi wathi amathunzi amnyama, ichitho, izitha bese wathi lona owenhlanhla, shiya igap. Even if it can be 1 day, it will make a huge difference in your life, in your treatment. Ukuthi into emayenza into yakho ukwazi ukuthi umzimba ushayisa umoya, wazi ukuthi ushiye le gap lena, and then noma lo suku lolo or 2 days, and then you know ukuthi uma usungena emuthini wenhlanhla, umuthi wenhlanhla usuthola indawo yawo, uyahlala uyazotha. Enye into that you need to avoid when it comes to ukusebenzisa imithi, avoid ukusebenzisa imithi yesithunzi. ondoda emnyama, omnyamathi, onkunzi emnyama, omhlonishwa, imithi efana nalezo. Uma bona bulawe, avoid using imithi efana le, because lo mithi leyo iyahlala kuwena ngoba ikunika that image yalesa sihlahla lesana esikhulu. Mawuqhamuka ebantwini uba bold kakhulu, uthola ukuthi ugcina uluza ama-deals akade kufanele kube ama-deals lawo uyawathola, but because of abantu they feel ukuthi bayakusaba, they feel ukuthi they cannot engage with you. Ukubona uma uya kwenye indawo ufike laphana uthola umelaphi wendabuko akathusa ubuya ngokuzolala, and uthola ukuthi is a very good person, is a very soft spoken person and everything, but lezi zinto alokhu ayisebenzisa zilokhu ziyaphayila lapha kuyena zigcina zimenza ukuthi manje na sokuyinhlwathi ngathi uyamsaba nje umbona ushaya uvalo kanti umuntu akanalutho. So ngane zakwethu, lesson for today, imithi yakho ungayibhanqi ngane zakwethu. Don't use imithi ngesikhathi esodwa, and try by all means, let's say usebenzisa umuthi wecala, uyawusebenzisa icala liyaphela, thola umuthi wokuhlambulula lowo muthi loyo. Hayi ukuthi uma uhlele egazini lakho chaza ukuthi, no, rather nayi ukuthi uma ukhiphe egazini chaza ukuthi uzoba namabhadi then ube namacala futhi, noma icala lethi sesetshenziwe lizobuya. No, it doesn't mean that. It means ukuthi wena uyakwazi ukushayisa umzimba wakho negazi lakho ngomoya, uyikhiphe into that gives umzimba wakho an allowance to be able to accommodate umuthi omusha ozobe usebenzisa. For example, udila ngomuthi wesithunzi, kunento eyilwayo and people they undermining you and everything, uyasishuthi isithunzi sakho siyaphezulu, you win that fight la oyilwayo nabantu labo udulwa nabo, mhlawumbe ayahamba emsebenzini, izinto efana lezo. Kufanele uhambe ukukhiphe lowo muthi loyo, so that abantu abasha abazosebenza nawo ungayitholi usatshwa abantu. Kuhle ukuthi abantu bekuhloniphe kodwa bangakusabi. So ngane zakwethu, lesson for today, please ngane zakwethu, make sure ukuthi uma usebenzisa umuthi you leave a gap in between. Makuyimithi engafani, njengokuthi uma umuthi weyichitho noma wezitha nomuthi wenhlanhla, there must be a gap in between, so that umuthi wenhlanhla ukwazi ukuthola indawo conducive. Because uma umuthi wenhlanhla ufika uthola ukuthi egazini lakho kuyaliwa, akudlalwa nengane, kuyaliwa. Umuthi wakho wenhlanhla ufika ungasebenzi, ufike ulokhuzana uthothobale, uthatha isikhathi ukuthi usebenze because of usafuna indawo yokuhlala. Kanti makwazile ukushiya igap, umuthi nalomunye uma ufika nawo uba neyayo indawo, naloya lo oqale ngawo wezitha unendawo yawo, nalo uma ufika ube neyayo indawo, and then le mithi lena work with each other without fighting because of ushiye igap in between. Ngane zakwethu, isalukazi sendoda lesi uGogo Bathini Mbatha, isalukazi sendoda, siyacela ngane zakwethu, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to press the notification button for more interesting videos. Booking number is 082-633-082833, pardon me, 4063, 082-833-4063. Ngane zakwethu, please don't forget ukuthi mina nawe we have an appointment, 12 o'clock midnight, always the new video comes in. Inkosi Chilumusa.